Today's workshop with International Organization for Migration, especially for our people, those who want to go abroad for a better job, better earning. What we are thinking about the future of our workforce, those who want to go to different destination all over the world. This workshop will initially prepare a action plan for the future next 5 years. The area they will cover is the skill requirement of that particular destination, the communication system, communicating language, and also the social environment, especially the soft skill on a particular country or particular region. It is need to be mentioned here that we are actually earning a very little comparing to our competitive countries in this region from expatriate workers. Only if we increase the skill of our workers, they can earn more, and the dream of their become a wealthy citizen of the country only then be realized. Otherwise, even after 5 years or 10 years, within 10 years, the job now they are doing will be no more available in the country where we send our people. So we have to plan for the future. What will be the job market in next 5 years, next 10 years, next 15 years or beyond? If we can do that in a planned way, having enough knowledge on the technological change, enough knowledge on the social reform, only then Bangladesh can take advantage of the expatriate world market and can employ its people all over the world to serve the global community. And we can be a proud country that we are actually taking care of the globe for different jobs. If it is happen, I think the creation of NSDC and NSDC Secretariat will also be successful.
The inauguration of this Action Plan Development Program on the National Skill Development Policy 2011, second page, with particular reference to the Chapter 18, which deals with the overseas employment workers. It is important because Bangladesh gives a lot of emphasis to benefit from the demographic dividend, and in that light, the 7th 5-year plan incorporates migration and development into the national into the development plan. In light of that, it is important that the migrant workers who constitute almost 500,000 or little over 500,000 from Bangladesh every year and have a potential to rise to at least 1 million per year need to be skilled, so that the remittances that they bring home could be multiplied with the skill enhanced, and also their confidence will help the country to have a better bargaining power with the country of destination, that our workers from Bangladesh go for filling the labor market gaps that exist in the destination countries. Today's workshop, I hope, would be able to identify the gaps and the needs that exist for the skill development of migrant workers, as well as to develop a sort of plan of action that will help in creating confidence of not only creating the confidence of migrant workers, but also to enhance the confidence of the employers overseas who would value migrant workers from Bangladesh as core resources to fill in their labor market gaps.